Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Amber from Molena Learning. Today's special letter is a very special letter. I wonder if you can see that. Do you know what it is? I'm sure you have a word for it, but today I'm going to call this a B, 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 bear, and it begins with the letter B. There's my big B. There's my little B. I have another picture of a bear. That B sound. B sound. This one is a big brown bear. A grizzly bear. B is for big. B is for brown. And it's also B for bear. So there's the capital B. There's a little b. And together that makes a B sound. I have a little puzzle here. You might remember I like my little puzzles. There's my B sound again. B, B. Let's have a look what my little puzzle joins to. Could it be a B, 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 B? Butterfly. Clickety clack. They go together. Just like that. And there's my B, B, B for butterfly. I have an alphabet book as well. I'm not going to read all of it, but it's my ABC Abacus book. And in here we've got some special letters. I've got A is for ants. A, A, A. A is for apple. A, A, A. And today's special letter, B is for ball. B, B, B. B is for banana. B, B, B. B is for boy. B, B, B. I like the letter B so much that I've got an activity that I can do about the letter B. And for this, I'm going to need this long piece of string. Now, you might not be able to see, but there's holes all over this. And using this string, I'm going to try and go in and out. Go down. I'm going to make the letter. There's the first line for the B. I'm going to go back up to the top and see if I can go in. Oops. And then over here, pull it through. Oops, dropped it. That tricky B. In, out again. Pull that around. Now, this one's specially made, but if you'd like to do this activity, you can get some paper and a hole punch. And you can punch in the holes. In and out, and go in and out and around your letter B. And so you can put a string all the way through, just like I'm doing. I'm covered up with my fingers, but you can see I'm slowly getting my way in and out. Now this is a great activity for fine motor skills. Pinching, threading, eye-hand coordination, in and out, back and forth. The younger kids tend to sometimes get the string wrapped around all over the side, but it's good exercise in practicing. And once you get to the end, ta-da! I threaded that letter B for B, 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 boy, banana, bat, ball. Maybe you can think of some more B words. Goodbye for today, and I'll see you next time.